Hello, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to send your USDT from Binance to KuCoin. First of all, log into your Binance account and on the top right corner, you need to hover this wallet icon. Go to your spot account and in the list, you need to find USDT. Then on the right side, you will see these three dots. You need to click it and go to the withdraw page. First of all, you need to select the network. I suggest you to use BNB Smart Chain BIP20 network because it has got the lowest fees. So we need to paste the wallet address from KuCoin. Now let's go to KuCoin, log into your account, go to your assets. On the top right corner, you will see assets and go to your funding account. In the list, we need to find USDT. Here is a search bar. You can use search bar. Let's type USDT and you need to go to the deposit page. Let's select the network. So we need BIP20 network. Here is BIP20 BNB Smart Chain. Let's copy the wallet address. And let's go to Binance and paste this wallet address right here. Then select the network BIP20. Let's enter the amount of USDT we're going to send. And click the withdraw button. Now we need to verify the transaction. And let's click OK. So we need to wait a few minutes and then we can refresh our funding account page on KuCoin. So let's wait a few minutes and I will show you the confirmation. Alright guys, as you can see, I received my USDT on my KuCoin. So that's all I wanted to show you on this video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next update.